How airport runways are managed. Airport runways look simple from a distance. Long strips of pavement with lights and painted lines. But runway management is one of the most tightly coordinated parts of aviation infrastructure. Aircraft land and take off at high speed while controllers coordinate spacing, weather conditions, ground traffic, lighting systems, and safety procedures continuously. Because airplanes generally require careful timing when moving at hundreds of kilometers per hour. So today we are going to walk through how airport runways are managed and how airports coordinate aircraft operations safely. Chapter 1: The basic idea. Airport runways support aircraft takeoff and landing operations. Air traffic controllers coordinate runway usage continuously. Safety systems manage spacing and traffic flow. Chapter 2: Runway design and layout. Runways are designed for aircraft performance requirements. Length and orientation depend on many factors. Wind conditions strongly influence design choices. Chapter 3: Air traffic control coordination. Controllers manage aircraft sequencing carefully. Landing and departure timing must remain organized. Communication systems coordinate movements continuously. Chapter 4: Runway lighting systems. Lighting supports operations during darkness and poor weather. Different light patterns guide pilots visually. Precision systems improve approach accuracy. Chapter 5: Weather monitoring systems. Weather heavily affects runway operations. Wind, visibility, and runway conditions are monitored constantly. Operational decisions depend on environmental data. Chapter 6: Runway markings and navigation aids. Painted markings provide visual guidance. Navigation systems assist pilots during approach and landing. Instrument landing systems improve precision. Chapter 7: Ground traffic coordination. Aircraft taxi between runways and terminals. Ground movement systems reduce collision risks. Airport layouts support organized traffic flow. Chapter 8: Runway separation and safety margins. Aircraft require safe spacing distances. Wake turbulence affects following aircraft. Controllers carefully manage separation standards. Chapter 9: Maintenance and inspections. Runways undergo regular inspections. Surface conditions must remain reliable. Foreign object debris removal is critically important. Chapter 10: Emergency and incident procedures. Airports maintain emergency response plans. Runway closures may occur rapidly if needed. Safety systems prioritize rapid communication. Chapter 11: High traffic airport coordination. Large airports manage heavy aircraft volumes continuously. Scheduling systems optimize runway usage. Operational efficiency becomes extremely important. Chapter 12: The bigger picture. Airport runway management combines aviation safety and infrastructure coordination. Controllers and technology systems support continuous aircraft operations globally. Modern air travel depends heavily on precise runway management systems. To wrap up, airport runways are managed through coordinated air traffic control systems, navigation aids, weather monitoring, lighting infrastructure, and strict safety procedures that organize aircraft movement safely and efficiently. Controllers sequence takeoffs and landings while monitoring spacing, weather, and runway conditions continuously. Ground coordination systems support aircraft movement between terminals and runways. Modern aviation depends heavily on highly organized runway management and operational safety systems. This has been a mini Leviathan production. If you enjoyed it, check out our other videos. See you in the next one.